Hey Tracy, how's it going? It's Peter.
Hey, I'm just checking to see if you're on your way to get the food for the caravan that's today.
Oh man, I got this sweet spread set up. I'm heading to the restaurant right now. I'm gonna pick it up and I'll see you in just a few minutes.
Okay, good. Well, look, I'm on my way to the house right now to meet Anne Marie. We're gonna start setting up a little bit early. We're expecting probably about 20 or 30 people. It's a really, really nice house, so make sure to get enough food for everybody, okay?
Oh, that sounds great. Okay, cool. I'll see you then.
All right, we got 5 minutes. Where's Peter? Let me check. He might have texted me. Okay, he's picking up Zia's right now. He'll be here any minute.
Zia's. Baby's hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I need to place a rush order and I'm gonna need it in the next 8 minutes. What do you mean you can't make it that quick? What can I get in the next 8 minutes?
All right, who's hungry?
Peter.
This looks like a good spot.
Man, hello.
Agnes.
How's it going? Where's the manger? I hear y'all got Zia's over here. Well, that's the present. Man, this house is lovely, you know, but I think I might have a buyer for you. She has a big sectional, yeah. She's gonna need about another foot worth of space right there between the kitchen and the living room. And then I don't know how she's gonna feel about this color. This is really white, yeah. I mean, a little bit of earth tones, you know, like a little bayou scene, maybe a little egret, maybe alligator. On their new office. It's really nice. No, the second thing, I don't know about that pool, but yeah, we might be able to get in. They barbecue a little bit here and there, so outside might be important to us. It's just something that needs to be ripped up real good. And then you look at these fixtures, it's like all rectangles. Like, Hey, I got an offer. It's a full price cash offer for my buyer.
I think my water just broke.